friends, it's the Stitches, and today I'm going to show you how to make a basic rectangle skirt. First, you need some sort of waistband pattern. It can be a rectangular strip of fabric the length of your waist measurement, but today I'm going to use a waistband from this commercial pattern. Cut the waistband pieces from your fashion fabric and some lining. Measure along the bottom to see how big your other pieces need to be. Next, you need one big rectangle that is 1.5 times the measure that we got from the waistband by however long you want the skirt to be. You can use 1.5 times your actual waist measurement if you're making your own waistband, but since I'm using a commercial waistband, I have to actually measure. Since I want to add a ruffle, I also have a strip that is 1.5 times the measure of my main body, so that's 1.5 times the waist times 1.5. Construction is super simple. Sew your waistband, skirt body, and ruffle all together separately. These pieces are then gathered to fit and stitched together. After the waistband lining and zipper are dealt with, the skirt is actually done. This is a super basic skirt that can be played with a lot of different ways and decorated a lot of different ways, so don't be afraid to experiment. That's all for today's video. I hope everybody has a good day, and I will see you all next time.